My name is Arjun, and I'm the CEO of Quantum. There are areas where the brave tread with caution, and I fear the realm of AI and ML because the more I learn, the less I know. So huge and vast is this domain, and the possibilities are limitless. But let me be honest, safety tech hasn't kept up with the complexities of the business of container terminals, the risk at container terminals. You have manual reporting, extensive Excel logs, reactive processes, and it works until it doesn't. Until the delay between an unsafe act and a corrective action becomes too costly. And God forbid, it should be a serious injury or fatality. The Qavach has bridged a number of these gaps. It has integrated automated intelligence. We recognize patterns, we preempt unsafe behavior, we recognize fatigue, we build risk hotspots, we activate yard inspections, safety walks, toolbox talks, and we drive to the bottom of every safety violation with a detailed inspection, corrective action, and preventive action. Yet if truth be told, when faced off with AI and ML, we are really primitive. We intend to change all that in the next 12 months. Smart engineering could perhaps do some of these things. However, the computing power for managing large volumes of non-linear data is purely the realm of AI and ML. At the end of the tunnel is to have the system analyze non-linear data and generate predictive risk, and thereby provide the terminal with a prescriptive risk preventive action. This leads a lot of parameters that influence risk and safety and calibrate to the terminal's own status. They're not all homogeneous. Risk is not common across all. And then there are a number of quicker wins to automate root cause, as an example, and to eliminate the manual entries of action management in Kappa. And while also looking for patterns in safety violations, hotspots, and triggering automated intervention. Integration to video feed or operator monitoring tools. I've spoken about that in a recent video about fatigue. Open up an enormous opportunity because now we can move from post facto analysis to a more proactive method of safety management by actually observing operations in real time and intervening before we actually have an incident. This video can go on endlessly should we discuss all of the potential of AI and ML. But let me ask you, should you or your team have any ideas or suggestions where AI and ML can be inducted in to better serve safety at your terminal? Please share it with me. I'd love to collaborate and build on this together. My name is Arjun, and I'm the CEO of Quantum. See you again next week.